cooking show at the restaurant named Hampton Island. Here's the menu. Food is pizza. Your drinks are organic, low-fat, 100% low-fat milk, white or chocolate, Gatorade and water. And I'm gonna make pizza. And step 1, open the can. Step 2, and put salt on a pizza. Do you know what's next on step 2?
What?
Is putting on the cheese.
So Graham is going to put cheese on the pizza. Do you have any toppings on your pizza?
No.
Do you just like cheese pizza?
Yeah.
Make sure you put a lot of cheese on it. It's gonna be a rectangle pizza, right?
Now I finished putting all the cheese on the pizza. Now on step 3, you put it in the oven. But remember, you need to have an adult to help you. If you don't have an adult to help you, you'll burn yourself. Next step, you need to set the timer and set it for 9 to 13 minutes.
What are you gonna do now?
You have to wait till the pizza is ready. You get your order. You get your order when your order is ready. Are you excited? The pizza is ready. I am. I'm sure hungry. Anna, the pizza is ready.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, I will help you. Here, you can.
The cheese is almost ready. The cheese is almost melted.
Yeah, are you hungry?
I'm sure hungry.
Yeah, you are.
I'm excited. Are you excited?
I am excited.
When?
You are such a good cook.
When?
Do you see the pizza bubbling?
When
You can watch the pizza bubble.
you can make your own pizza. My mom got mine at Walmart. You can get your pizza making your pizza stuff at any store you want to that has the pizza stuff to make pizza.
What did you buy?
My mom bought some cheese, some sauce, and some dough.
What kind of dough?
Pizza. My mom bought me pizza dough.
Pizza dough?
It's
That
like
pizza
the
looks
dough of croissants. Do you like croissants?
Yes, I do. I do like croissants.
I'm asking everyone that will watch the video if they like croissants.
Oh,
If you like croissants, you should like pizza.
yeah.
Homemade pizza. Leave a comment below. Bye, and thanks for watching the video.